$800 million, that tab being picked up in its entirety by the Yankees as they look to continue their legacy, moving from the old ballpark to a new one scheduled to open in 2009. So let's take a look at some of the computer animations of the new stadium, give you a little better feel for exactly what the modern amenities are and how they plan to give you a retro feel. As the aerial view sweeps in from home plate to left field, you can see the frieze or facade up above that the original stadium had that exists in part of the current Yankee Stadium. As we swing around the left field side towards center field and then right, that's the 4 train, and it's going to give a beautiful view of the new Yankee Stadium from center field and then through to right field. And of course, one of the great features is you take the 4 train, the peek through into right field. Now down that right field line, the Great Hall, spanning the entirety of the right field line, 60-foot ceiling soaring above the stadium, restaurants, shops, a great place to grab a bite to eat or meet with a friend prior to the game or friends, and then head into the ballpark. So also good for corporate affairs. There will be an interactive museum there as well, and the Hall of Fame that we mentioned. Now, about the inside of the ballpark, currently there are 20,000 seats on the lower bowl, but that's going to be expanded to 30,000 in an attempt to be more fan-friendly, get fans closer to the action. 20,000 seats up above. And you also see in center field, you see the black glass there. That's actually the batter's eye, but it is also going to be a restaurant that fans can enjoy a bite to eat and watch the action at the new Yankee Stadium.